first one is Amkrest hand-controlled mini drone for kids. The Amkrest Force is a battery-operated drone that's great fun for boys and girls of all. The flying ball uses advanced interactive infrared induction sensors that detects and avoids. The Amkrest mini hand drone automatically detects air pressure to maintain a steady altitude. The flying ball is equipped with a bottom sensor that will automatically ascend when it senses an object underneath it. The Amkrest toy drone comes with a built-in rechargeable lithium polymer battery that charges in as little as 30 minutes. The drone includes 360 degrees rotating LED indicator lights, which allow you to fly anytime. The Amkrest Force flying ball is the perfect beginner drone for kids, friends, pets and more. The drone is built with a flexible non-toxic polypropylene that is designed to withstand minor crashes. At Amkrest, we want to ensure the satisfaction of our customers and their loved ones. Second one is Simrex X300C mini drone with camera. Phone direct control with transmission or transmitter control with smartphone. 360-degree flips and rolls. One-key 3D rolling special effect. Continuous roll for perfect action and wonderful performance. When eyes can't identify the orientation of the drone, the headless mode can help to control easier and prevent from losing. Equipped with the latest 6-axis gyro flight control systems, provide better and safer range, about 30 to 45 meters. Flight time, about 8 to 10 minutes. Charging time. Last one is why Dowlin mini drones for kids. Automatic infrared obstacle avoidance function when the gesture control aircraft encounters obstacles. With gravity sensing watch, can control the aircraft to land, set height, roll, rise forward and more functions. Put the drone on the ground, start the drone, pick up and throw it in parallel, it will float in the air, no need the remote control, automatically sense the flight. If you want to land, you can directly press the water droplet remote control. Shortly press the finger button of the watch remote control during the flight, and then use the remote control to roll the gesture to achieve the corresponding direction of rolling. When you play at night with beautiful LED light, it will be a shining star at night, also can see the cool flight path in the night.
When your heart's bleeding and all you can see is red.